this video is a little bit late, but life's crazy. What can I say? I got off track. We're getting back on now. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tabby, of course. Stay tuned for unboxings and makeup reviews, and sometimes we do a few looks. If you're interested to see what is in November's Yes Oh Yes monthly makeup subscription, stay tuned. Alright guys, I got the November 2018 Yes Oh Yes monthly subscription bag in the mail the other day, and I've just been so busy I haven't had a chance to unbox it for you. I will tell you, this bitch be heavy. So it's a pretty good size, but it does still fit into a little bubble mailer. So let's just get right into it and see what we've got. Let me know if this new kind of like background washes me out too much. I feel like it makes my hair disappear, but not for too much longer, because I just can't ever stay a normal color for very long. So let's get right into this. And I'm sorry, I have a new setup, so if I'm going in and out, just bear with me for a couple of minutes, okay? So the first thing, gosh, it is packed full. It's a little tight. Okay, so November 2018, Girls Can. Total value this month is estimated at $145. So take a look there. Let me tell you a little bit. They give these values, but I'm not the only one who has noticed this. This is like the suggested retail value, but it's not the current value that you could buy these items for. I'm not saying that you don't still get a value. You definitely do. This bag is $13.99 plus you pay $3.99 shipping and handling. It's the only one that I have that I pay shipping and handling for, but it still comes out to less than 20 bucks. And I get way more than $100 value, even at normal prices versus suggested retail values. So I still like it, and they are fairly new. They're about a year old. I've had them for almost a year now, and they are just getting bigger and better. The first box I got, I wasn't really sure about. The second one got a little bit better, and they've just each built on each other month after month after month, and I've never regretted. So that being said, if you're interested in this bag when we're done with it, scroll down, stop at that subscribe button, then scroll down to the description box. There is a link there that will take you straight to Yes Oh Yes' subscription page. Spoiler alert, of course, I do get paid a little bit of commission if you use my link. If you don't want me to get paid for it, that's perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt my feelings a bit. Just go to yesohyes.com and just sign up there if you want it. I promise you won't regret it, and it's pretty easy to cancel if you want to cancel at a future time. And it's pretty easy to get back in. There's no long waiting list like there is with BoxyCharm a lot of times. So let's keep it moving. All right, the first thing I pull out of here is Beauty Creations Unicorn Tears Liquid Highlighter, and this is in a kind of like pinky bronze shade. Let's see, it's trying to focus on me. There we go. I'm not going to open this because this is very dark for me, and it's pretty warm. I don't wear warm highlighters, I don't wear dark highlighters, and I don't really wear liquid. So I'm going to save this for a giveaway or to pass along to one of my daughters or something. The suggested retail value on this is $17. I don't know about Beauty Creations. I think I have a couple eyeshadow palettes, but I'm not 100% sure. But that doesn't sound too out of line for a liquid highlighter. I have a few. There's some drugstore, they're like $10, and then we have Jeffree Star, that's $25. Makeup Revolution, Color FX is $44. So I don't think this is too bad, even if you were to get it off sale on its biggest hype day at $17. So not bad. Next, it's like a grab bag. I hope nothing bites me. All right. This is a crown brush. This is a Deluxe Badger Oval Shadow Brush. Okay, first off, okay, just a little bit of shedding there. Crown brushes are kind of hit and miss. I do like them. They have sets starting from beginner quality up to professional makeup artist quality and everything in between. So you can get a really crappy kind of brush and you can get an amazing kind of brush. I do have, I mean, my favorite blush brush is this crown brush right here. They all have the ergonomic handles on them. Most of the good ones do. As I'm saying that, this one does not. It's the only one I've seen that doesn't. And I just love this. When I first got it, I was like, what the hell? You can't put blush on with that. It's very dense. It works amazing. I love it. I have extras in case I lose this or it dies or whatever. So they can be great. This is just huge though. For real. Like, it's fatter than my finger. I'm definitely not going to use this for shadow, but she might work well as a nose contour or getting a really chiseled contour line. It might work well for that. I'm going to try it out. I love getting new brushes, so we'll see. Moving right along. Stuck. Okay. This is Mirabella. Oh, let's go back. The crown brush. It says it's $19. I think you can find a better price than that if you look around, but you know, suggested $19. This is a Mirabella Glow. It's another highlighter. Suggested retail, and this is $42. Y'all, I did not pay that for my Amazing highlighter, and it is one of the most phenomenal highlighters in the whole wide world. So, $42 for a Mirabella, which is not a, to me, it is not, let me show you. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. This shade is Swirling Pearl, and it's kind of a gold, and it's also got a pink in there, so I'm assuming it kind of makes a rose gold. It feels very soft but powdery. I just don't think this is a, we almost dropped it on the floor. It's a very like big name, like top tier cosmetic brand. So $42 is a little steep for me. It is beautiful. Like, it gives you a really, I feel like it's a subtle, like, natural glow. Girl, she ain't nothing compared to what's on my face right now. It's the Ofra Pillow Talk. But it looks pretty. I mean, I like it. It looks all right. $42, probably not for this girl here, but there's just so many options at $42. It's like, oh, it ain't giving me kisses and buying me roses. I'm not paying $42 for this. But it's very pretty, so I'm happy to have it in my collection. Let's see. Finally getting some room in here. Girl, this hair. It's driving me crazy. It's been a long day. This is a Sourmet Treatment Cosmetics Brow Lift Brow Highlighting Pencil. And we have a shade number 30 White. Suggested retail on this is $22. Honestly, it feels cheap. It's just a crayon pencil. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't use these pencils. I always use shadow to highlight under my brow bone. I don't ever use these, so I'm going to, again, put this back. Somebody else might be able to use it. But it's nice to get it if you are a person who uses or is interested in those types of things. I just don't. I don't use... It's too much for me. I don't even use concealer, y'all. So... this may look high maintenance, but the only thing high maintenance here is these. So, you know, it's the eyeshadow. That's my focus. That's my fun. That's my happiness. Sweat is driving me crazy. Moving on. Okay, this is the last thing in the bag. Alright. And this is wrapped up in bubble wrap. And a little plastic baggie. Alright. This is the Aesthetica Lip Contour Kit Palette. A little redundant. Yeah, kit palette. Anyways, suggested retail $45. It looks kind of chic on the, as far as the cardboard casing goes. And we have a little instruction booklet. Contour Series Lips. Ooh, we're gonna tell you how to make your lips look bigger and fuller and more pretty. They have drawings for different lip shapes and such. And then they have real life applications, how to do an ombre, different steps here. And then all of the different colors that are in the palette there. So that's nice. The possibilities are endless, y'all. They're endless. That's why we buy makeup. Okay, so then the actual palette, the outside looks like this, and I hear it rattling around in there. All right. So, yeah, okay. So it has the 6 lip creams right there, 2 pencils, and a lip brush, which is pretty handy. It also has, there we go. It has this little card up here, I'm guessing to remind you. It was pretty stuck, it felt kind of melted, and then it has a pretty decent sized mirror. And the plastic, again, is like melted on there. We'll figure out how to get it off if we want to. You know, I never used lip palettes, but there's a first time for everything. So let's go ahead and swatchy. First, let's do these lip pencils. It's not something that I really mess with quite frequently unless I absolutely need them. Most of the time I wear liquid lips, and yeah, I just put a balm on first and go for it, and I'm happy. I'm a happy girl. I'm a simple girl. Okay, so this first lip pencil color is called Stalker, and it comes off as brown. It's brown, I mean, it feels pretty creamy. So I'm gonna make that bigger so you can kind of see the actual color. Looks like it might have some like purple undertones in it. The other side of that, these are dual-ended, is Party Girl, and she is like Rainbow Bright Gwen Stefani pink. Just pretty. I have a Marc Jacobs lip gloss that's about that color, and sometimes I really like to get a little feisty and wear it. It's pretty fun. Alright. Put you back away there, girl. Okay, the next one is a red, and it is called Swag, actually. It's kind of a deeper, nudie, red-based brown. Kind of reminds me of Jeffree Star's Leo, which I'm not seeing on my table, but it might pair well with that one. And the last one is called Bombshell, and it appears to be a just true red. So, not bad. The formula feels fairly good. So, yay for that. The next thing, we got this little Aesthetica L13 lip brush. It's got a little cap. And then there's the brush. It is stiff, y'all. More stiff than a squirrel in the middle of the winter. Okay. Anyways, so I don't know what I say sometimes. Shit just comes out my mouth. Alright, so we're going to swatch all 6 shades here, and I'm going to use the brush to do so instead of dipping my finger in there. We're just going to start with the deeper red. And I'm gonna clean my brush off between each one. It's kind of a purpley red. And then the next one is more of a true red, like a Christmas holiday type red. You know, these aren't big swatches and they're not perfect. But it's what you're getting, damn it. Get what you get and you don't throw a fit. That's what my kids used to say when they were little. They're not little anymore, they think they're adults. They're just pretend adults, though. Alright, now we get into the 2 nude shades. And not bad. I'm seeing why they gave us the lip colors that they did, though. So I'm okay with that. Okay, I'm cleaning the brush off in between each one of these shades so they don't get contaminated. Alright, this one of them is like a satin type. I wouldn't consider it matte by any means. Okay. And let's see for the white. I think the white is just to do ombres or to kind of change up the shades, you know, make them lighter a bit. It's not very opaque, which is, I guess, good. So there's our little lipstick swatches. You can see this one is the only one that's a satin. The rest are matte. The formula feels pretty good. I mean, obviously they don't dry down, they'll still transfer, but it looks like they feel fairly decent as far as quality. So I gotta clean off this brush. I want to put it back in there dirty. I'm spilling shit everywhere. Did you all come for the shit show today? I thought you came to see some makeup. It's all good. It's all good. It's Friday. You ain't got no job. You ain't got shit to do. Just kidding. I got a job. And I got shit to do. But we're still here. So, that's the palette. Let me show you the swatches. So, there's that palette in its entirety right there. Well, no, decent quality. I don't know what lip kits run. I don't usually do a lip palette, so I don't know. I think we can play with it. We'll see how it goes. The colors aren't bad. They're definitely usable, wearable colors, so we'll have to keep you updated on that in the future. But, so this was November's Yes, oh yes, monthly subscription. It's something I actually I like it. I find myself lately looking more forward to this subscription than to my BoxyCharm, which is weird because I feel like, you know, kind of BoxyCharm just kind of like, bleh. But anyways, this video ain't about BoxyCharm. This is about Yes, oh yes. And this month is a pretty decent month. So I'm okay with it. There are two products that I'm not going to use. They're going to go straight in my bin to give away or whatever. They might end up on Poshmark and nobody else wants them. I might do a giveaway. I don't even know. But we'll see. There's always something that can be done with them. So if you liked my video, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that way I know that you like my videos. And if you're interested, go sign up. Don't want to miss out on a good thing. Till next time, guys. Bye.